Grip of the infinite.
Thinner.
A veil of safety and security. Grasp your mortality tightly.
Chaos War.
Grip of the infinite.
I'm not up to that just yet.
A
mana is
veil
gone.
of safety and security. Struggle or strangle. Tight tethers. Resist the assault!
The reckoning is at hand!
Grip of the infinite. Grasp your mortality tightly. Struggle or strangle.
Such grace is seldom seen in this world of the damned.
Grasp your mortality tightly. Struggle or strangle. Grasp your mortality tightly. Tight tethers. A veil of safety and security.
An orb of immense power.
Grip of the infinite. Struggle or strangle. The void protects its children.
Repent!
Resist the assault. Tight tethers. A veil of safety and security. Grip of the infinite. Grasp your mortality tightly. A veil of safety and security. Struggle or strangle. Resist the assault. Struggle or strangle. A veil of safety and security. Resist the assault. Tight tethers. Grasp your mortality tightly. A veil of safety and security.
Think your gods what? Choose. No god will answer for it. God does not care for you. Ugh. Everyone want to disregard the code.
Resist
Take it.
Not up to
the
that just yet.
assault. A veil of safety and security. Grasp your mortality tightly. Grip of the infinite.
Repent!
Resist the assault.
Exultant
Struggle or strangle.
exhilarating sensational victory.
Resist the assault. Struggle or strangle.
Keep an open mind.
A veil of safety and security.
Grace is seldom seen in
Grip
this
of
world
the infinite.
damned.
Tight tethers. Grasp your mortality tightly. Struggle or Strangle.